name is Mark Abaya. I'm from the band Kwan. I used to be in Sandwich. I was an MTV DJ. I was a U92 DJ. My whole life has been music. With regard to the people who say that OPM is dead, we've seen Twitter, and I think what needs to be said has already been said. Everything that needs to be said is very much alive. You just have to know where to go and be in the loop. Find it, and it's there. It never went away.
Mahirap din yung ginagawa ng mga musikero. Kailangan din namin ng compensation. Siyempre, that's not all we do it for. We do music because we love it. My wish for OPM is more growth.
We should have an NPR, a national public radio-like place where, you know, the radio stations can broadcast Filipino music alongside the best music in the world can offer that's independent.
My wish is for the media, our friends in the industry, in radio and in TV, to push and further the cause of OPM by playing more songs on the air, upping up the ratio between OPM and folk music.
My wish for OPM is for people to be less stressed out over the term OPM and just focus on it as just good music, because the musicians and the music fans believe in this so much, so it's up to other people to believe in it.
I really appreciate na parang we're really making music for Filipino people. Pero sana may certain percentage na global din mag-isa na gusto nila mag-reach out sa ibang parts ng mundo para, alam mo yun, makilala tayo as a country na maganda yung musika natin.